We're going to proceed now by removing the stock plastic OEM transmission cover. There are 3 separate cavities. The first one closest to us is the transmission gear set itself and the shifter pawl. The middle section is a transmission vent cavity, and the third one is the engine breather bypass that allows air to move from the engine back to the oil tank. There's ports forward and aft that allow that to take place. So there's the underside of the stock transmission top cover. Right is the transmission gear set, center is the transmission vent, and the left is the air bypass for the engine. This is our Checkmate, comes with a brand new gasket. You'll see on the right is our reed valve, which is a one-way valve, allowing pressure to escape, maintaining vacuum. That is important for the engine operation. The only thing you need to do with the stock cover is remove the transmission vent tube. There's a little lip on the outside, push the lip through the hole, and then just pull the hose out from the outside in. And then you're gonna reuse that on the Checkmate in the center cavity of our Checkmate. The Checkmate comes with a new gasket. We're gonna remove that gasket and just install the stock transmission vent tube. Here's a good shot of the reed valve. Again, it allows pressure to escape while maintaining vacuum in the oil system. A little bit of WD-40, push it through the hole, and then pull it through to lock in place. Here we have it. There's our vent tube. We're gonna reinstall our gasket, wipe everything clean, put our gasket back in place, and we're ready for installation. So this Checkmate, again, is a awesome product. We put it on every M8 that we come across, and on the early ones we install the seal on the oil pump. It's a must on every bike out there. Apply a little bit of Loctite. I'll drop is all is necessary. Set it in place and tighten it down. We get all our fasteners started, run them down, tighten them up. Hard to get a torque wrench in there, but it's a 1/4 20 bolt, which is 120 inch-pounds. If you're got any feel in your hands at all, you know how tight to make a 1/4 inch bolt. That's our hose. We're gonna route it through to the left side of the bike, up over the battery compartment, then down, and it's gonna tuck into the right side cover. And there you have it. That's it. Checkmate's installed. Awesome part. Gotta have it.